What's going on YouTube? Savage Sounds here. I have a tutorial on how to get music in your stream, but not in your headphones. Let's take a look. Okay. As you can see, I am in OBS. Now, this should work. I previously used Streamlabs, but moved over to regular OBS for reasons of my own. But this worked as well on Streamlabs OBS. So if you don't have OBS, don't be afraid. This will work just the same. Follow the steps just the same. The first thing you're going to want to do. Now, in my opinion, Spotify is the easiest thing to be able to do this because you can't really use a browser. You might be able to, but you'd have to do a few other weird things. So what you're going to want to do is, personally, I would use Spotify. Okay. I'm going to open Spotify, right? I'm going to click play. Okay. Now you can't hear it for reasons, but normally you'll be able to hear it when you click play. Okay. Now go down to bottom right click on your volume, open sound settings. This screen right here, scroll all the way to the bottom. Now we open Spotify and press play for a reason, because if you don't, it will not show up here. But it does. So here's Spotify. You're going to want to choose your output. Choose one of your monitors that is not physically playing any music or sound out of it. So in my case, it's going to be this one, turned all the way down. Normally you'll have to click apply. Click apply and exit out. Now in OBS, all you have to do is go to File, Settings, go to Audio, and go to one of your desktop audios. Normally, I would choose Desktop Audio 2 because it won't get in your way. You're going to want to click the same monitor that you turned on in your sound settings. So in my case, it's this one. Click Apply. And as you can see, you can hear it. Right now, you can hear the music that's playing. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down. There's music playing right now. So imagine you're watching my stream right now. You can hear my voice and you can hear the music. I personally can't hear any music at all right now. Okay? That's the goal. That's the whole goal of this. So if you can hear it, go down to your advanced audio properties and go to your monitoring and put it on monitor off. That way you won't hear anything in your headphones. Now if I change it to monitor only, now you can't hear any sound. I can hear it. Guy's going crazy on guitar. You can't hear anything though. As you can see in the background, it's still playing. I can hear it. You can't. And if you go to monitor and output, now you can hear it again and I can hear it again. Okay? That's how that works. So in your case, most people will want to put it on monitor off. Boom. Now you can hear it and I can't. Right? And that's the whole premise. Now you know. It's easy as that, man. That'll get music in your stream, but not in your headphones. So if you have any other questions about this video or another video you think I should do, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to, click the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will be planning on doing a lot more of these because I know it took me a long time to really grasp what's going on in the Streamlabs, or in this case, OBS. So if you have any other questions that you can't find any answers to online, chances are that I know it. If I don't, I will try and figure it out and get it back to you. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you later.